Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can hide your Snapchat score. You can hide Snapchat score. So it's pretty easy. I'm going to show how you can do it. So keep in mind, there is no way you can completely hide your Snapchat score from everyone. You can just set it to friends, and then if you want no one to see, if you want a specific friend not to see your Snapchat score, you have to remove them. So this is the only way where you can not show your Snapchat score. So how we can do it is that we're going to go onto Snapchat, then we're going to scroll to the left, and then we're going to go onto our profile. From our profile, we're going to click on settings. Now, from settings, we're going to scroll down all the way until privacy control, okay? Now, from privacy control, we're going to click on contact me, and then we're going to make it on friends only, okay? Basically, friends only. That means only friends of friends are going to contact you, or only friends only are going to contact you. So once you've changed it like this, basically only your friends are going to see your Snapchat score, and if you want no one to a specific person not to see it, you have to remove them. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.